Welcome to this edition of askchauntel. So I'm so excited to share this Nadine West unboxing. So let's get into it.
Got problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask CHAUNTEL.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. Hey you guys, it's me from the future, and I'm gonna try all these clothes on at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned until the end. You guys, it's gotta be yellow. Like, this yellow shirt is literally life right now. Like, I just unboxed this in another Nadine West unboxing, and I will tell you, if you change, I know this is totally a tangent and we're about to get into this, but I just want you guys to know that if you want to feel good, put on some bright colors, okay? It'll just brighten up your day. All right, so so I'm really excited to share this. Like I said on my last one, I really like how she's got this new messaging on her packages. I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. I think that is so funny. All right, so we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we got. So if you're new to Nadine West, she is a clothing subscription service for women. You pay $9 for shipping for a limited time. We are waiving the shipping, and that information, if it's still available, will be in the description box below. And let's pull this stuff out. Oh, one of them came out. Wait, yeah, they kind of fell out the bag. That's all right. That's all right. Now this one came together a lot better than the last one. Let me tell you, because she changed up her packaging, which I understand and I appreciate, because you know, it's because they're made with love and 100% recycled plastic, which is really great because there's just really a lot of waste going on. So I appreciate that, Nadine. And this one is better because the last one, it just ripped. But you send back whatever you don't want in the original package, and they send you a shipping label, and also inside of here you get the price list, which I will have all the prices available for you on askchauntel.com. And if you guys would like your own Nadine West unboxing, information for you down there. Now this kind of fell out, so we're gonna just show you guys the better one. So you got the tissue paper, which I think is really nice to have it all wrapped up. Nadine West sticker on there. Open it up, see what we got. All right, so we have this is, I was trying to read because this looks so interesting. It's like gold inside. I really think that it was pretty tagged, so it kind of caught my eye. Gold and black. But what are these are like, what do you call these? Like gacho pants? And there was, yeah, I'm not really big on those, but you know, what they call them? I think they call them trousers. I don't know. I don't really wear pants, so you guys know. If you guys didn't know. I wear leggings, I wear shorts sometimes, but I'm not big on the pants. But you know, we'll see. Gachos. I think gachos or short trousers. Sexy black top here by Hippie Chic. There's some jewelry we'll put to the side and try not to forget to open, because you guys know I do that, but I'm doing my best. All right, so my mom's dresses are back in. I was trying to tell her. 80s and 90s. Okay, so we got the button up. It's orange. I think I'm gonna like it. I think so. It's just, it looks a little big, but I'm kind of trying to get used to my body because, you know, we have babies and then I got quarantine belly. We working on it though. We working on it. Okay. And then this is a top. This looks like the front. It's like a blue. I actually really like this blue. It's very pretty. Like kind of like a teal. And I don't have anything that color, so I'm kind of excited. We'll see how that looks on. I hope I like it on. And shorts. Now, I think I got these exact shorts before, but they were too small. And so hopefully these fit me better. What size is this? I think that's what made me change my size. That's what I do like about it, is you can change your style profile. These are a large. you can change your style profile at any time. And I had shorts on mine for a while, and I think I'm gonna change that up and say, oop, belly. Quarantine, no, I'm working on it. But yeah, so these are cute. They kind of got the lace on the bottom, so we'll try that on. The jewelry, let's get it and let's see what it is. I'm seeing a theme here. Necklace, necklace, necklace. My last 3 unboxings, I've been seeing necklaces, and this is, okay, good. I was like, oh, tangled, but it wasn't that tangled. It was, or it is actually that tangled. See that? It's kind of tangled, but we can just kind of hold it up, because I'm telling you, I don't have the patience to take that apart, but it's pretty though. Little jingle jingle. Okay, so now I'm gonna go try on these clothes, and like this video if you're having fun watching this. Like this video right now. I'm gonna go try on the clothes. See you in a second. So I really loved the color of this top. I'm not usually like really big on blue, but I really did think this shade worked well on me, and the shorts were cute, but oh my, when I turned, I was like, ooh, cellulite. Man, I couldn't see it normally. So yeah, I definitely got to start working out. But yeah, this is before I was pregnant, just so you guys know. I loved this one. Oh my gosh, this black top, so sexy and sophisticated. I totally loved this one. I felt, you know, hip and chic, and that monochromatic, you know, when you match the top to the bottom, it just automatically makes you look fly. And I really like black with gold, so I thought these little earrings went well with it from another unboxing. And I just think that when you do this double black thing, it makes you stand out. So I loved it. This dress is super comfortable. It's not something I probably would have been like, oh my gosh, I love this dress, like I needed this dress in my life. But it is a dress that I think works from home, super comfy, like the color, very happy. So yeah, I think we were a win-win-win on this one. What do you guys think? Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, thumbs up. And I love you guys. Like, I love you guys so much, and I just want you guys to know that I love you. And if you, whatever you didn't like, put it in the comment section. Whatever you did like, put it in the comment section. What could you see yourself wearing? I want to know. We want to know. We want to know. And in the meantime, in between time, go check out the rest of these videos coming up right here. More unboxings for you. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And let's go check these ones out. And I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.